just whenever the music has a chance to meet something visual, it makes it even greater. You know, whether it's a music video or even something like this for people to put a picture with a sound, it's always fun to do that.